Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Raza from Maryland High School, and today our topic is damped oscillation. Student, in our previous topics we discussed about the simple harmonic motion and some examples of the simple harmonic motion. The examples of simple harmonic motion that are ball and bowl system, simple pendulum, mass spring system. But today we discuss about the damped oscillation. So before starting the topic, we should have to know about that meaning of damped and oscillation. So damped mean reduce, and the oscillation mean vibrations, or you can say that to and fro motion of a body, or you can say that simple harmonic motion. So here it's mean that the reduction in or reduce in the simple harmonic motion or reduce in the vibration. So that it's mean the damped oscillation. So before further study this topic, we have to should study about the basic definition of the damped oscillation. The basic definition of the damped oscillation is that the oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive force. Again, student, I repeat, the oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive force. Just like student, in this simple pendulum, we studied about just like here we have a simple pendulum, and this pendulum will oscillate like this in the presence of some resistive force. Oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive force, that is known as damped oscillation. Resistive force, you can say that it's maybe air or it's maybe the frictional force. Air or frictional force is always present. Just like here I talk about, so between me and camera there is a air is always present. So the basic definition of the damped oscillation, the oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive force. Just like here you understand that a body or a system in oscillation in the presence of some resistive force. So that is known as the damped oscillation. Resistive force may be air, or you can say that the frictional force. Now the student, next thing we should have studied here that two cases. One is ideal case and second is a real case. Now first of all, let's see first the ideal case. In ideal case, he says that the oscillation of a system in the absence of frictional force. Just like as I talked about earlier, here we have a simple pendulum, and the oscillation of a simple pendulum in the absence of the frictional, or you can say that the resistive force. Again student, here first of all we discuss about an ideal case. In ideal case, he says that oscillation of a system in the absence of a resistive force. So if there is no resistive force is present, the oscillation of a system is continue and it will be not stop. Just like we studied about in 9th chapter number 3, Newton's first law, he says that if a body in a motion, it will be in motion after billions of years if no external force act on it. Similarly, here we talk about an ideal case. If that is not a real case or not, we take from a daily life. We talk about in an ideal case. And in an ideal case, he says that if a oscillation in a system in the absence of the no resistive force, So you can say that the motion is continue and the system is not stop. Now let we discuss about the real case. Now the student, let's take a real case. In real case, he says that the oscillation of a system in the presence of some resistive force. Let's take a just like simple pendulum. And simple oscillation of a system in the presence of a resistive force. In the presence of a resistive force, that is we take from real life, because resistive force is always present between two bodies, that two bodies anything. So the students, whenever the body is oscillate, due to the oscillations of the body, there is energy produced, and that energy is the mechanical energy. Again I repeat, due to the motion or due to the oscillation of a body, an energy produced, that energy is the mechanical energy. But due to the presence of a resistive force, this mechanical energy is going to be reduced gradually. So whenever this mechanical energy is completely converted into another form of energy, the body will be stopped. So one thing you should understand, that energy never be end. It can only convert one form to another. You can say that mechanical energy convert into another form. That the point you can say that the system is stop or a body is a stop. Energy can never be end. It only can convert it one form to another form. Here we discuss about a real case. Previous we discussed about an ideal case. In real case we says that the oscillation of a system in the presence of resistive force. So due to the motion of or oscillation of a body or a system, mechanical energy produced. But this mechanical energy will be slow or gradually due to the damped, or you can say that due to the resistive force. So whenever completely mechanical energy convert into another form of energy, you can say that the oscillation or a body will be is stopped. Now the student, let's we discuss about graphically damped oscillation. Just like student, you can say that that's a point, yeah, the one is positive and second is negative end. First of all, you should know that what is positive end and what is negative end. Just like whenever a body or a is oscillate, one end you can say that is positive and second end you can say that is negative. So this one you should know that one end is positive whenever body is oscillate or vibration, and second end is negative. So that's a point where body will be start to the displacement. Now the student, we graphically discuss the damped oscillation. Just like student, you can say that one end is here is positive and second end here is negative. How can you understand that whenever it is positive, second end is negative? Just like whenever oscillation, body is in oscillation or to and fro motion, you can say that one end is its positive and take let one end it's negative. That's the point where the body start the displacement. So whenever the body start the cover displacement, you can understand that from this graph. Initially, its amplitude is very large, but with the passage of time, its amplitude is going to be the decrease. Actually, its amplitude is going to the decrease due to the presence of a resistive force, or you can say that with the passage of time, its amplitude going to decrease due to the damping. So here you can say that due to the damping, its amplitude is going to the decrease. That's the point where body start the displacement. So student, this was the graphically if we discuss about the damped oscillation. Student, let's take an example from daily life for the damped oscillation, and that you can say that the shock absorber. Shock absorber is actually used in, you can say that in bike, motorcycle or in a car. One thing student, you feel that if you sit in a Corolla, if you pass from a speed break, if you pass from a speed breaker, you don't feel any jerk. What's the reason behind this? Similarly, on the other hand, if you sit in a Suzuki and you pass from a rough surface or pass from a speed breaker, you feel a lot of jerk. Actually, the reason is behind this. This is due to the good shock absorber. Student, what's the reason is actually behind is that if you sit in a Corolla, in Corolla there is used shock absorber that is very good. And now that we discuss about the phenomena actually behind this student, here we have, you can say that the shock absorber. It's one and it's attached to a car frame. Here is you have a piston and there is present is a liquid. Liquid, you can say that it should be oil that used in a car, and the lower portion is attached to the axle. So the student phenomena here behind is that whenever we pass from a speed breaker, this attached to a car frame, this will be compressed. The piston valve will be compressed. The liquid present in it, or you can say that oil present in it, this will be heat up. So this will be whenever heat up, this will produce mechanical energy. So whenever this mechanical energy is will transfer to attach to a car to the axle, this axle again transfer energy to this liquid or this to the oil. But if there is a shock absorber or good enough, there will be open very gradually. We don't feel jerk too much because in Corolla there is very good shock absorber use. On the other hand, if we sit in a bus or if we sit in a Suzuki, then these spring that are present in it, that will open very suddenly, so we feel jerk too much. So that is the phenomena actually behind this. So the student, this was our today lecture, that is damped oscillation. Damped means reduced, oscillation means to and from motion of body, simple harmonic motion or vibration. So the reduction in the simple harmonic motion is actually the phenomena that is the damped oscillation. Hope so, student, you understand the today lecture. Thank you.